Hello everyone, this is another video from Easy Electric series, and today we are going to learn how we could design and print a vase in Fusion 360. Stay tuned. So what we want to do, we want to design the vase like this, so which even we able to somehow change its shape and give any different dimension. So let's see how we could do that. As usual, we are going to have a new design. So I'm going to turn on the origin. So I want to use the revolve and revolve that around the Z. For that reason, this time I'm using the ZX plate on right click and create my sketch there. So if you back to this, I could show you what I draw and then how I use the revolve. So this is exactly what I'm going to draw. So then revolve is around the z-axis. So that means I need to use the line and also the spline that to have this part. Then we are going to revolve that. So let's to start to do that. So for starting, so first we are going to have a line. So I'm going to use the line here to here and use 30 millimeter enter. So the next line I'm going to show the height of the waist. So I need somehow construction line. So come here and go 150. Enter. So as you see, I have that 150. Another construction line from here to, let's go 30 that side, say enter. So I have it. So now after we have these 3 points, you comes here and somehow use these spline. So I click on this spline. So I click this point. I come here, click another click, comes to this line, another click, and come to this point, another click. So whenever you want to finish this plan, usually you should find these tick, see this tick mark here. So usually it's somewhere on your working space, you should find it. And so see, now I'm find that, it's changed to the green, I click that. So as you could see, I made the spline. So I don't want that to be, that will be a construction line. I'm actually click on that and get rid of that. As you could see, we somehow made these spline that you see here. So now what I'm going to do, so somehow I need to use the offset, somehow offset this for 3 millimeter will be a thickness of the waist that we have. So let two comes here, say offset and select these all and go to the 3 millimeter. So again, I don't like be a construction line, it should be just a line. Okay. So if you go a little zoom in, so see this shouldn't be a construction line, I fixed that. So now I'm going to somehow close these parts. So I come zoom in, I say line, I click here to here, 3 millimeter enter. So now I'm going to close the other side that we have. So if you zoom that a little bit, so first I'm going to use the construction line, somehow connect this part to this part, enter. So let I redo that, it's not get that. So let to say from here to here, enter. So let I try one more time. So I say line, it's the construction line. I say from here to here, click. Yes, that should be work. So now I have this. I zoomed it a little more. Then I'm coming here and add a circle, 2 point circle. I want to have a circle between these 2 points and say enter. So I don't want to be a construction line. I actually turn that to the real circle. Now I use the cut. I cut here and I also cut here. So see, I made these edge that you see. So we are almost done. If you take a look, you see we have everything that we need. So now I think we could finish the sketch and somehow use the revolve that able to make our way. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this surface, maybe a little zoom and select the whole surface. You see what we select. So comes here and say revolve. So we revolve it, and for the axis, I'm choosing the Z axis. So I put this 90-degree for now. Let's to take a look. So see, it is a 90-degree, and you have your. Okay, so let's to do actually get rid of this and say 360. And you have these ways. So definitely you could back your sketch and make any changes that you want if you are not happy with this shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to somehow come here, zoom that a little bit, and maybe use the fillet and somehow make this to a little circle rather than sharp edge. So see, now they are actually much better. Maybe let's to say 7, maybe say 10. Yeah, 10 is much nicer. So now you see it's actually most actually nice. So as you could see, you design the waist using the spline and also the revolve command. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.